Good morning, everyone. How are you all doing? I know it's been a minute since I've been over here putting up some videos, but I got really busy with stamping up. And some of you know I have a separate channel for stamping up, and this is my everything else channel. So yeah. So I've been pretty busy doing it, but I thought I would come over here and do a video. I have been working on the kit that Sister gave me, and I have got a journal put together. Excuse me. And the journal I'm keeping for myself. It's going to be a personal journal, so I figured I'd do a little flip through of what I've done so far, and then as I go to film my journal, I'm going to film those videos as well for you guys, so you guys can see what I do, and how I do it, my thought process, and all of that. I figured, why not? Might as well. I know there's thousands of videos out there like that, but everybody's different. Everybody does things different, so let me grab the journal and show you what I've done after I take a drink of coffee. So here is the journal. Now let me lift my camera up just a touch here. Okay, so the journal is a soft cover. I used lace, burlap. I did a doily. Well, first I took a doily, a pink, not a doily, pink sheer scarf, and I just sewed some fabrics and laces on it, and then I used a little piece of felt to give it some stability, and I did some burlap and some pink lace on the inside as well, just to, you know, I don't know, I kind of liked it. I thought it looked cool. It's kind of eclectic, crazy, I don't know. And I made this flower to put on top with a pearl on the inside, so I really like this. There are two signatures. I sewed it in with blue because I just did. So let's open this up. This page here, the front cover is plain. I haven't decided what to put there yet, and like I said, when I go through this and start filling it more on what I have, I'm going to film it and let you guys see what I do. So this is the first page, and there is a glue string. I have a lot of those glue strings all over. I hate that, and it's gonna drive me crazy. There we go. So this is the first page, and then I just add some white eyelet trim lace on the edge of the page. This is just white. Like I said, I'm going to go through and do different things in it. So here is some of the tags that she made. I just paper clipped here. I'm going to use them throughout the book, but right now they're just there. I have some a pink lace ruffle that I made. You guys know I'm obsessed with ruffles and tabs. So, and here is a 3-4 tier pocket. One here, one here, one here, and then there's one behind. So this is one of the mason jars. Oh, there's two of them there. Mason jar journal cards that Sister made, and I just put a sticker at the bottom that was given to me by Julie K in a swap, and it just sets in this pocket. And since I have another one, I thought that was awful thick, I'm gonna set it there. And then one of the little journal, little booklet that Sister made, I have put in here, and I just have the flowers poking up. This is a flower that Sister gave with the kit as well. My green dyed paper I put in here. I just thought, you know, it would look cool in this book. I took this tag and I made a tuck with glue strings. Oh, them stupid glue strings. I put a sticker and then a bow, and you can always tuck in behind. Well, I can. And I glued it on this vintage paper here. This is a magazine page I used as a washi, and this is Where Would I Be Without You, which is kind of fitting since Sister made these papers and things. I was just kind of fitting for it. A little sticker down below here that I put. I got some eyelet trim. Here is an envelope Sister made and one of her journaling cards that I stuck there. So I got different little elements, ruffles and stuff, collage tucks that I made with magazine and book pages and a doily and just some stickers. You know, y'all know I'm kind of I'm eclectic, so I like different things in my journals. So whether it goes together, whether it don't, it just kind of works. So this is one of her mason jar journal cards. I just put a sticker. It says love you with all my heart and a piece of doily here. And I used one of the stickers from this collection here on the side so this can flip over and I can journal on it. And you can still see this amazing sewing pattern thing. I got it in a garage sale and I got a bunch of them and I really love the way they feel. And it is see-through vellum pretty much. And so I stuck that in here. I thought it worked just fine. Just one moment. Okay, you're gonna hear my kids in the back. The dude, y'all understand him, so I can't control that. But if it gets too loud, I will pause and then take care of that and then come back. So the butterfly seemed fitting because this is a kit that Sister had made. So I took this out of a book and it's got butterflies on it, beautiful butterflies. And then here is another one of the butterflies here. So as you can tell, it just has an eclectic feel to it. And I really like it. It makes me happy when I flip through, seeing different pages, different elements and things. And, you know, I just really like it. This is a Christmas card that I got from a garage sale. I love the birds, which I'm going to sit down and fussy cut these birds out and use these for little embellishments in my journals. But I wanted to put one of these cards in here, and I can always cover up this here and just have the bird showing if I wanted to. I don't know what I'm going to do until I start to do it. So one of the envelopes Sister has made. I love this trim that she had given me for this. Here is the center. How gorgeous is this page? I love that butterfly. And, you know, just everything about it. And, of course, you know, it's got purple in it, so you know that makes me happy. So, love the ruffles. I'm obsessed. Here is a sticker I just put there just for the heck of it. And this is Darling. A ruffle I made into a belly band, so you can take whatever and stick in there. And since I have this extra one, you know, it's gonna, well, that one won't. We're gonna put that there. Let me find something to stick in there. Here we go. So you can just stick pictures, journal cards, whatever, just poke it right in there and it'll stay. And I thought a ruffle would be a cute belly band. Something different. So in some of the pages I didn't put lace on, I just put it just a touch of ruffles. Little piece of ruffle on. I thought it was really cool idea. So, and I see a lot of people doing like washi tapes and things like that. And you know, I get this idea from Amity Bloom. I am in love with how she makes her journals, the feel of them. She is just so cute to listen to. And she really just inspires me so much. So I will have her link down below for you guys to go over, click on her, check out her channel. She's absolutely amazing. So there's that other side of that butterfly page. I made this into a flip out. I thought was really cool idea. So I mean, I really I love that touch of gold. It just gives the journal just that extra something. More of that vintage page, and I will probably glue this down onto this so I can still write, but I also have a tuck spot too. So that's a really cool idea. This here, now the thing I like about these is sometimes you can take these little ruffles and it could be like a little tuck spot, you know, to put things in if you wanted to. I thought that was a cool idea too. So there's the first signature. The second signature starts out with this here. Beautiful page. And it has that ruffle there. Little pocket that I made. And I just have a little sticker here going along the side. And, you know, I've got this little vintage piece in here. And this little tag. I also took a little piece of ruffle and put on there. So there's that piece of vintage ledger paper. Here is another multi-tier pocket. I just put you and me and some hearts. Again, that come from a sticker collection I got from Julie K, and she has a YouTube channel here. It's called Paper Play with Julie K. I love watching the things that she creates as well. She's very inspiring. So here is the 4-tier, and then there's a pocket here in the back as well that I can stick things in. Here is more of that sewing vellum pattern. I just put True Love and paper clip this mason jar there. Here is some more magazine pages. Beautiful birds. This bird here. Now, I don't know why I got two in the same spot, but it is what it is. I can make it into a pocket. So, there's an idea. Love this doily page. Here is a piece of butterfly paper I put in here. I put Only You and a ruffle. And then I thought this was a flip out, but I guess it's not. So you have more of that vellum here. This is gorgeous. Probably one of my favorite pages in here. Some ruffle. Here's some more ruffle on this beautiful page. Just one moment. Okay, he's back here playing cars. As long as he's quiet. That's all I care about. So here is this beautiful images. This is out of a book as well. And these pages come out of books that I got from Lindsey. Okay, I say Zenor. A lot of people say Zenor. I don't know if I'm saying it wrong. I probably am. So we're going to say Lindsey Z. That covers it. Here is this beautiful bird. I had to have this in the center. Love this bird. I love birds anyway. So I thought I would put that in there. And then on this side is these beautiful flowers of all colors. This here sticker here says forever. So I thought that needed to go in here as well. The other page, it's got some more ruffles on there. This mason jar is a tuck, and I put ruffle up here at the top. And this does fold out. Just one moment, please. I am sorry about that, guys. This little kid, he is just insane. He throws his cars and stuff, and he just has to be loud. One of these days, I'm telling you, one of these days, he might come up missing. Joking. Don't take me literally. Seriously, I love my little dude. But like all kids, they tend to work your nerves sometime. But I love him to death. I don't know what I would do without that little boy. With all of my kids. So here's this other side of the sewing pattern. Some blue in this book I thought was perfect. I'm into the blue in the journals for some reason. I don't know why, but I am. I think it looks cool. More of that butterfly paper. And I have a little ruffle here. I left all of my strings on from where I sewed them. And I wish that one would not do that, but that's okay. So more of them bird pages, and is this yeah, this is a double two. So I might make this into a pocket as well. And you have these beautiful birds on here. This one here flips out, and this is more paper than vellum. So, great to journal on or whatever you want to do. And then here is this pocket. I love this trim, and I just had to put a piece of it in here. More of the ledger paper. And then the last page. I didn't put anything on the last page, so not yet anyway. And then the back cover. I'm definitely going to put like a pocket or something on the front and the back. I just don't know what kind of pocket or anything like that for the moment. But when I do, I'm sure I will be filming me doing more work in this. She is already fluffy. It is only 2 signatures, but I really like this. I really love flipping through and seeing all the different elements in it, the different pockets, the different colors that, you know, normally I wouldn't put red in a journal like this. But I love the feel of it. I love the way it looks. I mean, and the golds. I'm not a gold person, but this just kind of seemed fitting. So here is a little look. If I could even see the ruffles act as a tuck. How cool is that? Here is a little look at the journal I made with Sister's Kit. I can't wait to get another one, because you know I'm going to get another one and make more journals, or I might make ephemera with it. I don't know. But guys, thank you for being here and taking a look at this journal with me. I really enjoyed making this. Now these Sisters kits are available in our shop over on Facebook. That link is below, and it comes with lace and all kinds of embellishments, so you might want to go check that out. Like I said, click the link below. All of my links are down below. I'm gonna have Julie K down below as well, and Lindsey will be down below as well for you to check them 2 out. Thank you for being here. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I leave you with a goodbye and a God bless. I'll see y'all again soon.